At a time when public representatives carry themselves in this manner, our teams that went from door to door in rural villages dedicated themselves to provide solutions to the villagers' problems.
බුදු අම්මෝ අපි ඡන්ද කාලේට නම් අපි උත්සවගෙන කර තියාගෙන එන්නේ බුදු මහත්තයෝ අපිට යන්න බැරිය කියද්දී අපි කර තියාගෙන යනවා
කිසිම නිලධාරියෙක් මේවට එන්නේ නැහැ හොයන්න බලන්න
ඔප්පල වෙච්ච ලෙඩුව හෙට එක්කන් යන්න ඕන නම් ඇත්තටම අද තමයි අප පුටුවක තියලා කරෙන් කරගහගෙන තමයි ගෙනියන්නේ කියන්න ඕන හැම කෙනාටම කියලා තියෙන්නේ කිසිම කෙනෙක් අද වෙනතුරු මේ සිරස මාධ්‍යයෙන් ඇවිල්ලා බලනතුරු කිසිම කෙනෙක් අපේ මේ අපි දිහා නිතරලා බැලුවේ
It has been a long time since the bridge connecting Kesalwatha and Kammathoda in the Katuwani area in Hambantota district was reduced to a coconut stump. The villagers in the area have suffered immensely as a result of being deprived of a bridge. We came across another village in Polonnaruwa where the villagers would sleep deprived as a result of having to endure wild elephant attacks both night and day. Those elephants come into the villages from the Menneria National Park. When wild elephants are brought and put in the park, electric fences are of no use. These wild elephants can break through electric fences and come into the villages to attack us as well as our homes. These elephants are not afraid of guns being shot at them. We have to chase them away by one way or another. This is the road travelled by students in the Kiradikulam area in Mulathil. The only wish these villagers have is to renovate the road used by them to travel from the village to the town area, the nearest hospital and other areas to be accessed for their day-to-day activities.